Dear Mom, I thought you might like to know that I've been dying to get into the radio business and finally quit my job as a hoe. Tell clerk. But the Q said I'm lacking computer skills and they felt my boob. Lay Collection was not appropriate music for their rock station. What an ass umption I had made, because they hired me anyway. Then broke my jaw. Down to the simplest thing. All I have to do is listen, and they pay me.
Get on the Q's payroll. We'll pay you $50 an hour. Just to listen.
P.S. Hope you don't mind, but I killed your cat. A log subscription.
It pays to listen. $50 an hour. Sign up for the Q's payroll at theq.fm.